Hello everyone, welcome back. Today you are going to learn 20 essential English phrasal verbs through my daily routine. As you watch me go through my day, you'll learn how native English speakers use these expressions naturally. Let's get started. 1. Wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. I wake up at 6 a.m. when my alarm rings. Example: I wake up early every day to go for a run. Question: what time do you wake up?
Subscribe for more fun English lessons.
Follow Daily English with Emma to improve your English every day.
2. Get up. Get up means to leave your bed and stand up after waking. After I wake up, I get up and start my day. Example: I get up immediately and begin my morning routine. Question: how long does it take you to get up after waking? 3. Turn on. Turn on means to switch something on so it starts working. I turn on the bedroom light. Example: I turn on the light so I can see better. Question: what do you turn on first every morning? 4. Turn off. Turn off means to switch something off so it stops working. Before going to bed, I turn off the lights. Example: I always turn off the lights before I leave a room. Question: what's the last thing you turn off at night? 5. Put on. Put on means to dress yourself by wearing clothes. I put on my blue jacket before leaving home. Example: I put on my jacket because it's cold outside. Question: what do you usually put on before you go outside? 6. Take off. Take off means to remove clothes, shoes, or accessories. When I get home, I take off my shoes. Example: I always take off my shoes when I get home. Question: what's the first thing you take off when you arrive home? 7. Pick up. Pick up means to lift something from the floor or another surface. I pick up my smartphone from the floor. Example: I picked up my phone and checked my messages. Question: what did you pick up today? 8. Look for. Look for means to search for something. I look for my keys before leaving the house. Example: I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Question: what are you looking for right now? 9. Find out. Find out means to discover or learn something new. I find out some exciting news on my phone. Example: I found out that my best friend is coming to visit next week. Question: what did you find out recently? 10. Come in. Come in means to enter a room or building. After a long day, I come in through the front door with my backpack. Example: please come in and make yourself at home. Question: who came into your home today? 11. Go out. Go out means to leave home to do something or have fun. I go out on a beautiful sunny day. Example: I like to go out with my friends on weekends. Question: where did you go out today? 12. Sit down. Sit down means to move into a sitting position. I sit down at my desk to study. Example: I sit down with a cup of coffee every morning. Question: where did you sit down to relax today? 13. Stand up. Stand up means to rise from a sitting position. When I'm ready, I stand up and continue my work. Example: I stand up to stretch every hour. Question: when do you usually stand up in the morning? 14. Give up. Give up means to stop trying because something is difficult. Sometimes I feel frustrated, but I don't give up. Example: I never give up on my dreams. Question: what will you never give up on? 15. Carry on. Carry on means to continue doing something. Even when things get difficult, I carry on. Example: I carry on studying because I want to improve my English. Question: what will you carry on doing despite the challenges? 16. Look after. Look after means to take care of someone. I look after my grandmother whenever she needs help. Example: I look after my family with love and care. Question. Who do you look after? 17. Look at. Look at means to direct your eyes towards something. I look at a beautiful painting in an art gallery. Example. Look at this beautiful sunset. Question. What are you looking at right now? 18. Run out of. Run out of means to have none left. I open the refrigerator and realize I've run out of milk. Example. We ran out of coffee this morning. Question. What did you run out of recently? 19. Set up. Set up means to prepare or arrange something for use. I set up my new computer by connecting the keyboard and monitor. Example. I set up my new laptop yesterday. Question. What did you set up recently? 20. Work out. Work out means to exercise to stay healthy and strong. I work out with
Try
dumbbells
using them
several
in your
times a
daily
week.
conversations, and you'll
Example.
sound so
I
much
work
more
out at the gym
natural.
to stay fit.
Follow Daily English with Emma to improve your English every day.
And don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons. Thanks for watching!